Tips for using crowdsourcing to increase credibility and showcase your brand on social media. In today's digital age, social media has become a powerful tool for businesses to connect with potential customers, build brand awareness, and increase their online presence. However, with so many brands vying for attention on social media platforms, it can be difficult to stand out from the crowd and establish a strong reputation among consumers. This is where community building comes in. By creating a loyal and engaged community around your brand, you can increase your credibility and boost your visibility on social media. So, what exactly is community building? At its core, it involves fostering a sense of belonging, loyalty, and engagement among your followers or customers. This can be achieved through a variety of tactics, such as hosting events or webinars, creating user-generated content campaigns, responding to customer comments and feedback in a timely and personalized manner, and collaborating with influencers or other brands in your industry. But how can you use community building to increase your brand's credibility and visibility on social media? Here are some tips and strategies to help you get started. Define your brand's values and mission before you can start building a community around your brand. You need to have a clear understanding of what your brand stands for and what values you want to promote. This will help you attract like-minded individuals who share your vision and are more likely to engage with your content and become loyal customers. Be authentic and transparent. In order to build trust and credibility with your followers, it's important to be honest and transparent about your brand's practices and policies. This includes being upfront about any potential issues or challenges, as well as highlighting your brand's strengths and unique selling points. Encourage user-generated content. By encouraging your followers to create and share content related to your brand, you can increase engagement and build a sense of community around your brand. This can include hosting contests or challenges, reposting user-generated content, or featuring customer testimonials on your website or social media channels. Engage with your followers. One of the key tenets of community building is fostering two-way communication between your brand and your followers. This means responding to comments and messages in a timely and personalized manner, as well as actively seeking out feedback and incorporating it into your brand strategy. Collaborate with influencers and other brands. Partnering with influencers or other brands in your industry can help you reach new audiences and build credibility through association. However, it's important to choose partners who align with your brand's values and mission, and to approach collaborations in a thoughtful and strategic manner. Provide value to your followers. In addition to engaging with your followers, it's important to provide them with valuable content that they can't get anywhere else. This can include sharing industry insights, offering exclusive promotions or discounts, or providing educational resources related to your brand's niche. Host events and webinars. Hosting events or webinars is a great way to build community around your brand and provide additional value to your followers. This can include hosting virtual events, such as live Q&A sessions or product demos, or in-person events, such as meet and greets or workshops. Leverage user reviews. User reviews can be a powerful tool for building credibility and trust with potential customers. Encourage your followers to leave reviews on your website or social media channels, and make sure to respond to any negative reviews in a timely and empathetic manner. Monitor your brand's reputation. It's important to regularly monitor your brand's reputation on social media and other online platforms, and respond to any negative comments or feedback in a professional and constructive manner. This can help you address any issues or concerns before they escalate, and demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Measure your results. As with any marketing strategy, it's important to measure the results of your community building efforts in order to determine what's working and what can be improved. This can include tracking metrics such as engagement rates, follower growth,